Rachel Project 2022. In French. This is the washroom of the house. The entrance of the house. The shower. Standing shower outside the house with the trees. And the balcony. Open table and 2 chairs. The attic, the flowers, the bed, the countertops with the flowers, flower vase,
It's 8:28.
refrigerator with the cabinet and the sink and the microwave and the oven. And the side of the house, that's a fireplace, bed, flower vase, oven, microwave. And at the back of the house, it's like this. And the upper, there's a chimney of the house.